Aloha! So today I want to share with you a challenge that I am facing. I've been putting it off because I didn't know how to deal with it, and I realized, why don't I ask out on YouTube? So maybe somebody knows or knows somebody that knows. So here, let me show you what's going on. So on my RV, I've got this awning, and it works fine, except it's got this tail sticking out here. You see that? That's a cord that is connected up there. Goes in this, what do you call it? I want to say trench, but that's not the right word. Anyway, that's how the fabric, or that's not fabric, you know what I mean, is attached to this tube. And here you can see that it has come out, and this is where it meets. And I think, like, you can see there's like no cord here, or whatever you want to call it, tubing. And so somehow I need to get it to go back that way. That's my dilemma, because it's not like when you have like a hoodie and the string got sucked in there when you did the laundry, and you just put a little thing on there and you inchworm it back to the hole. I tried doing that sort of, and didn't help, because it's like a vinyl material, so I can't even, like, well, yeah, I don't even know how it would do it. So if you've faced this dilemma, or you know someone that has an RV, ask them and see. I've owned 5 RVs and never had this particular issue, although all of them didn't have awnings. So anyway, so that's it for now. So mahalo for watching, and I look forward to seeing your comments and hopefully some advice on how to fix it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep using it until the whole thing falls out of that thing, and then I'll have to replace it or just not use it. So that's what I'm thinking right now. So see you in the next video.